the expression 2x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 3, where a and b are constants, has a factor of x minus 1 and leaves the remainder of 15 when divided by x plus 2. So we can use the remainder theorem, factor theorem to solve this problem. Then a comma b, so we need to find the values of a and b. That's the question. So we'll go for a fresh slide. So first thing given is, for this polynomial x minus 1 is a factor. That means when we put x is equal to 1 here, 2 into 1 cube plus a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus 3, this should be equal to 0. Because x minus 1 being a factor of this polynomial, when x is 1, this will be equal to 0. Now from this we'll get an equation in terms of a and b. We'll see that. So we'll get 2 plus a plus b plus 3 is equal to 0, or a plus b is equal to minus 5. We'll mark this as equation 1. Second thing, we have the same polynomial when divided by x plus 2 will leave a remainder of 15. That means x plus 2, when we take x is equal to minus 2 here in this polynomial, so we'll put here 2 into minus 2 cube plus a into minus 2 square. So wherever x comes, we'll replace it with minus 2. b into minus 2 plus 3, this will be equal to 15. Fine, okay, yes. That means here we'll be getting minus 2 cube is minus 8. So we'll get 2 into minus 8 is minus 16. Plus this is 4a. Minus 2 square will give you plus 4. So plus 4a minus 2b plus 3 is equal to 15. Now from this we will be getting 4a minus 2b is equal to, so this one is already minus 16 plus 3. This becomes minus 13. So minus 13 going there will become plus 28. This is equation 2. So simple, we got two equations in terms of a and b. Solving that, we'll get the values of a and b. So from here we can also tell 2a minus b is equal to 14. Now we can add the two equations. So a plus b is this, 2a minus b is this. So when we add the two equations, plus b minus b, they get cancelled. We'll have a plus 2a is equal to 3a. I'll use this space. This is sufficient. 3a will be equal to, right hand side will become minus 5 plus 14. Minus 5 plus 14 is plus 9. So 3a is 9, gives you a is 3. A is 3 means we can put it here. So we'll get 3 plus b is equal to minus 5, or b is equal to minus 5 minus 3, which is minus 8. Simple. So it means the values of a and b are 3 and minus 8 respectively. So a comma b, that's the question, should be 3 comma minus 8. 3 comma minus 8 is an option B. So option B is 3 comma minus 8 is the right answer.